Welcome everyone. How's everyone doing today? Good. Good. You guys ready for winter break?
Yes.
Yes, me too. Any special plans?
Sleep.
Sleep?
Catch up on some rest. Yeah.
Rest? Ready to go on vacation?
No.
No?
You broke?
Let's see. So welcome. As a reminder, I'm Miss Bradley and I'm your school counselor here. This is our third workshop today, and this one is called Now That Sounds Like a SMART Goal. So our objective tonight is we're going to set your individual SMART goals. The agenda for tonight is that we're going to do our reintroductions, we're going to do an icebreaker, we're going to go over our rules, we're going to have a mini discussion, and then we're going to work on our worksheet together, and then we're going to finally go over what we've learned over all of the workshops, and then we're going to discuss how we're going to apply them to the future. Okay? Let's see. So first we're going to go around again, say our name, our grade level, and what is your dream car. So I'll go ahead and start. My name is Miss Bradley. I'm your school counselor, and my dream car is a Jeep Wrangler. Let's see. Want to start from this end?
My name is Mike. I'm a super senior, and my dream car is a S-Class Mercedes-Benz.
Nice.
Yeah.
My name is Jean. I'm in the 9th grade. I don't have a dream car, but I dream that I have a chauffeur in my car.
Nice. That's a good one.
My name is Marcus. I'm in the 10th grade, and my dream car is a Ferrari.
Yeah, it's dope.
What color Ferrari?
Red.
It's gotta be red. It's gotta be red.
My name is Haley. I'm a sophomore in 10th grade, and my dream car is a Mercedes G-Class.
Ooh.
I like the GLA. I like the GLA.
My name is Milan, and I'm in the 12th grade, and my dream car is a BMW, preferably a 325i.
Nice.
Cutesy.
All right. Let's see. Welcome back, everyone. Let's see. So we're going to go into our icebreaker, which is what we did the first week, which is charades. Does everybody remember how to play charades?
Yeah.
Certainly.
So let's go
Definitely.
over, because I kind of saw. So last time we got 4 out of 5. Let's see if we can get everybody in this time. So let's go for 5 out of 5. So let's just kind of go over. So
Right.
we know this is movie,
Okay.
and it's book,
Song.
song, and then how do we do TV show? Let's all just decide on something. TV show.
How about it sounds like?
And then that sounds like everybody's good?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. So you remember, you're going to have 1 minute to go around.
We have 30
Can we
seconds.
pass out the papers while we sit here?
Okay, let's see here. So who wants to start? Haley?
Do I have to stand up?
Please don't show it.
Okay, I got this. Do I have to stand up?
However you want. And go.
2 words. Michael
Man.
Jackson.
Hey!
Good job. Very
I forgot how to do person.
Please don't show. Okay. And go.
Movie.
Movie.
Stomach. Sick.
Pain.
Hungry. Hunger
Hunger
Games.
Games.
Hey! Yeah.
All right. Milan.
Oh, sorry. Oh, man.
And you ready? And
Uh-huh.
go.
Movie. Table. Long.
Whoops.
Xylophone. Shaver. Michael.
Michael.
Mike Saul.
Michael Jackson.
Myers.
2 words. 2 words.
Second word.
Okay.
Michael.
Man.
Man. Okay.
First word.
Black man. Iron.
Iron Man! I got it! No, I got it! Can I get a point?
Yeah.
I've been dealing with
Alrighty.
the 12th grade for 2 years.
All right, Mike.
Thank you.
3.
Hey.
Don't show it.
What?
Michael, please don't show it. Are you ready? and go.
Oh my God, this is so hard.
A movie.
All right, movie.
No talking, Michael.
Jaws. A
Jurassic
dinosaur.
Park.
Jurassic. A lion.
Scream,
Lion King.
lion,
Hocus Pocus.
Flying a witch, and the warlock.
oh, the wardrobe, the witch, what is that one?
Narnia.
She got it. The witch and the lion, the witch. I ain't never heard of that in my life.
Alrighty, Marcus, you're left. Alright, we're 4 out of 5. Let's, Mark, don't show. Tell me when you're ready.
It's bad.
Kardashian.
No. I got this. Alright.
You got it? Okay, let's go.
Movie?
World.
Silly.
House,
TV. It's a TV.
house, home.
Is it a movie or
Home
what? Oh, damn, my
Good
favorite.
job, you guys. So we got 5 out
She
of 5.
gets everything.
Good job. Let's see.
She should be a special needs teacher.
Let's see. So our next item, good job, is we're gonna go over, we're gonna reminder for the rules. So Haley, if you can just go over the bold topics.
Confidentiality. Our primary commitment is to learn from each other. We will not demean, value, or put down people. We will trust that people are doing the best that they can. Make an effort to get to know other students.
So just remember, everything that we talk about here is gonna stay here. Let's respect each other and let's make an effort to say, hello Haley, and let's talk to each other, not at each other, okay?
Sounds good.
Yeah, let's see. So last time we did discuss how to, let's see. So I'm sorry, before we start, we would like to ask you guys, what is the difference between a dream and a goal?
Goal is more realistic.
Okay.
A goal has like steps, plans to get to that final goal, and a dream is just kind of like a thought, like no
Not
action or
necessarily
plan.
work that hard towards a dream and real goal.
Yeah.
It's specific.
Good.
Something more realistic, something more attainable.
Right. So something that you guys can remember, a dream is something that you can inspire you, but goals can change your life. Okay? So last session we talked about, we all worked together to create my SMART goal. And so I also asked you guys to think about your own individual SMART goal. So today we're going to work on our individual SMART goals. I hope you guys thought about it and planned a little bit. So I'm going to give you about 2 minutes to kind of create your SMART goal, and then I would like everyone to discuss it.
Write ours at the bottom.
Yes, so if you have yours already prepared, or make sure that everything is included. So I'll give you a couple of minutes, and then we're all going to discuss it.
You need a pen, Gina?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Put the timer on. So I'll give you guys about a minute. You guys will have it in a minute?
That should be good.
Minute. I'll give you guys like a minute and 30 seconds. So remember, we're just gonna go over your SMART goal. So if you know all the steps, you don't have to write them down. We're gonna go over the final SMART goal. About 30 more seconds. Okay, let's start finishing it up, and we're gonna go around.
Let's start. Counselor?
Okay,
Right.
let's let everyone finish, and then you can start at your end.
Okay.
I need to start now.
Alrighty, let's start wrapping it up. Alrighty. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start on this end here. Michael, you actually are going to, I'm gonna have you pick out of the hat. You're gonna ask someone what their SMART goal is, and you're gonna ask them the question that is in the hat. Okay? And then we'll go around in that way, so whoever you ask, and we'll go to them next.
Okay.
So make sure to ask them what their SMART
I can
goal
ask
is.
anybody I choose.
Yes.
Okay. Where do you see
But
yourself?
no, you're gonna ask them what their
in-
SMART. Please ask them what their SMART goal is first.
Okay. Haley, what's your SMART goal?
Okay. So, I would like to make all of my C's and move them up to B's and A's. In order to do that, I would meet with the tutor 3 times a week for 2 hours and go over any material that I don't understand. When I go home, I will take 30 minutes to review what I did with my tutor on my own and do my homework. And whatever I still don't understand, I'll go back with the tutor
Okay.
and possibly my teacher to review that.
Okay, so where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In college, hopefully. Not a first-time senior. And yeah. Oh, I apologize.
What was?
She made fun of him because he's a 3-time senior.
Thank you.
I
Okay.
apologize for that.
I've
Sorry.
been having a tough time dealing with that.
I'm sorry.
After year 1 and after year 2. Just saying.
All right. Okay.
Keep my feelings, you know.
All right. Let's see. So Haley.
Can I read the question first?
So now you're gonna ask the person. Tell the person first, and then you're gonna ask the question. Ask whoever you want to ask.
Gina, what is your SMART goal?
My SMART goal is that I will walk 10,000 steps or 5 miles 6 days a week to be able to walk effortlessly when I go on vacation February 26, 2018.
Okay, so what are the 5 steps to the SMART goal?
My specific goal is that
What are the 5 steps to a SMART goal?
specific, measurable, action, realistic, and timely.
Good job. Let's see. So you can go ahead and pick something, Gina. And first, let's pick who you want to ask. Who hasn't been asked first?
Belong.
Mm-hmm.
What is an example of a poorly defined?
No. Please ask her what her
Oh,
SMART
I'm sorry. What is your SMART goal?
My SMART goal is to finish the next 2 semesters with no less than a 3.0 GPA and to pass my math class with a B.
What is an example of a poorly defined goal?
I think I just gave you an example of a poorly defined goal because aren't the SMART goals supposed to help everything that you're
So
supposed
what's
to do
an
in order
example of a poorly defined?
to get organized?
There you go.
I would have to agree.
Okay, Belon. So go ahead and pick someone. Ask them what their SMART goal is, and then you'll ask the question in the hat.
Marcus, what's your SMART goal?
My SMART goal is to finish the spring semester with a list of 3.5. To do this, I have to complete all my work and pass all my tests. I know if I complete my goal at the end of the year when I get my report card.
Okay. Why are people usually unsuccessful in the New Year resolutions?
They're usually unsuccessful because they don't really plan out what they're going to do to complete their goal. They just kind of say one.
Good. All right, Mark. And so I think it's Michael left, so you can go ahead and ask Michael his SMART goal and ask him the question.
Michael, what's your SMART goal?
My SMART goal is to graduate at the end of the semester, finally, but with a 3.0 GPA. Yeah.
Okay, What did you learn from the workshops?
Well, you know what I've learned is I've learned what a SMART goal is: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. And I've learned the steps that we need to take into, basically be able to organize ourselves into a goal, create a goal, and then create the steps that we need to create in order to attain the goal. And I think that's, what I've been missing throughout the last few years. Yeah, but that's what I've learned. So I want to thank you, Miss Bradley.
No problem.
Counselor Bradley, yes.
So you guys all did a great job. I just wanted to say thank you for you guys showing up and participating.
Thank you.
Thank you to the people that showed up to my office hours and we worked on your SMART goals, and I'm glad you guys actually took the time to work on your SMART goals. And I just wanted to ask you guys, how do you think this will apply to your future goals, or how will this help you?
I'll be able to plan out things better to try to actually achieve them.
Okay. And something I always want you guys to remember, someone after class asked me, Miss Bradley, is this really your goal from last week? And it actually is my goal to have that honors roll and to graduate with honors. So something I do is I look at it every single day. I look at, sometimes I do get tired and I don't want to do it, but you have to look at your goals every single day and focus on it. And I just also want to remind you guys that sometimes it's okay for your goal to change. Growing up, I wanted to be a school teacher. And when I got older, kind of changed my mind a little bit. I still stayed in education, but I wanted to become a school counselor. So I just always encourage you guys to assess your goals, and it's, I want you guys to feel uncomfortable. I'm not going to judge you guys if you get a fail or a low score. That's part of success, is you are going to have some setbacks. So just always want you guys to remember that that's part of life, is your setbacks, and that you always can change your goal. And if you want that Ferrari, don't just have it as a dream. You can actually go after that Ferrari, but we just need to make some steps for it. But other than that, do you guys have any questions?
Nope.
Any questions or statements?
I didn't have a question, but I wanted to say one of the things we touched on before, and what I had done when I was making my goal, because I didn't really understand. I had to come talk to you, but instead of just saying, oh, I want to walk, I actually started researching tools to help me and gathering stuff that would actually help me, and not just say, oh, I'm gonna start walking. And one of the things, like for myself, I researched and I found a 30-day walking challenge, so that, and as long with my Fitbit, so that I can make sure that I attain my goal.
Great, good, and it's a really good topic that you brought up. If you want to go to a certain college, make sure you have to do a little research to see what the acceptance is and how you can get in there and what you need. So, good job, Gina. And I think you guys all did great. Anything else? All right. I hope you guys enjoy yours. Yes.
Just wanted to thank you for everything that you've done this semester. You've really given us not just goals, but the steps in order to attain the goals. And I think there's a huge difference from when you say you want to do something, but you've given us the steps to show us how we're going to do that. That goes a long way. I just wanted to thank you for that.
No problem.
Yeah, Councilor Bradley. I just wanted to thank you. Thank you.
Is that your mom calling you?
So just remember, I want you guys to have a fun winter break. But over the winter break, think about your goals. And something that I'm personally going to do for my little New Year's party is I'm going to make a vision board. And a vision board is fun. And you guys know what a vision board is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so think about the goals and what you want to accomplish for the year. But other than that, enjoy your break and happy holidays.
Woohoo! I think everybody should give themselves a hand, maybe. All right, guys.
I think your mom is calling you.
Good job.